Tamam.
Hello friends, and welcome to the first episode of a cooking series where a spinning wheel decides what I'm gonna cook. Alright, let's give it a spin because I'm pretty hungry. Wheel decided that I'll cook the bison steak for the lunch, so probably I'll cook it with a potato and a dill. While my charcoal's still heating here in portable grill, I'll boil the potato, and later on I'll give it a gold crust on a frying pan. So I'll just cut it in halves. It's been about 15 minutes of boiling, and I think potato is ready. It's pretty hot, huh? Right, so now we can put it on a frying pan and give it some crust. I like to use the macadamia oil. And before putting a steak on the grill, I like to add some wooden chips. It's hickory. I just soak it in water for about 30 minutes, and then you can put it right on the charcoals. That way it's not burning. It's kind of smoking and give us some hickory flavor. I just try to spread it evenly on a whole area of the charcoals. Should be enough. I have a nice ribeye steak, and I don't use any marinade or sauce, just like a straight meat, black pepper and salt. Also, I got a jalapeno pepper from yesterday. I'll cook it as well. Alright, let's give it a try. Great meat. You don't need any sauces, just salt, pepper, some veggies. It's red on the inside. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon.